Ever wondered how powerful your thoughts are? How they shape the world around you? Today, we embark on a journey to unravel the mysteries of willpower in spirituality. Willpower isn't just about determination, it's the force within us that ignites change and molds our reality. It's the key to unlocking our deepest desires and bringing them into existence. Join us as we delve into the profound influence of willpower on our spiritual journey. Now that we've dipped our toes into the vast ocean of willpower, let's dive deeper into its essence. Willpower isn't just a mental muscle, it's deeply intertwined with our consciousness. It's the driving force behind our actions, shaping the very fabric of our reality. By understanding the nature of willpower, we gain insight into how our thoughts and intentions manifest in the world around us. So, join us as we unravel the mysteries of willpower and its profound connection to our conscious experience of life. Now that we understand the essence of willpower, let's equip ourselves with practical tools to harness its strength. Mindfulness and meditation serve as powerful allies in our journey to strengthen willpower. By practicing mindfulness, we cultivate awareness of our thoughts and emotions, empowering us to direct our focus with intention. Additionally, visualization and affirmation techniques provide a roadmap for shaping our desired reality. Through visualization, we vividly imagine our goals as already achieved, while affirmations reinforce positive beliefs, fortifying our resolve. So, let's roll up our sleeves and delve into these transformative practices to master the art of willpower. As we journey deeper into the realm of willpower and manifestation, it's essential to explore its spiritual dimensions. Manifestation isn't just about materializing our desires. It's a sacred dance between our willpower and the universe. By aligning ourselves spiritually, we open the floodgates for manifestation to flow effortlessly. This alignment involves attuning our thoughts, emotions, and actions with our deepest spiritual truths. When our willpower is in harmony with the divine, miracles unfold, and our desires manifest with divine timing. So, let's dive into the spiritual essence of manifestation and uncover the profound connection between our inner world and the outer reality. Now that we've grasped the essence of willpower, let's uncover its transformative potential within us. Willpower isn't just a tool for external manifestation, it holds the key to unlocking profound inner transformation. By harnessing our willpower, we break free from the shackles of self-limiting beliefs that hinder our growth. It empowers us to step into our true potential and embrace a life of abundance and fulfillment. Moreover, faith and trust act as guiding lights on our journey of manifestation. When we trust in the unseen forces of the universe and have faith in our inherent power, miracles unfold before our eyes. So, let's tap into the power within us and embrace the limitless possibilities that await. Now that we've uncovered the transformative power of willpower, let's learn how to integrate it seamlessly into our daily lives. Incorporating willpower into our routines begins with setting clear intentions aligned with our spiritual goals. By defining what we aim to achieve and why it matters on a deeper level, we anchor our willpower in purpose. Moreover, consistency and discipline play pivotal roles in sustaining our willpower over time. Consistently practicing mindfulness, meditation, and other techniques reinforces our resolve and strengthens our spiritual connection. So, let's weave the thread of willpower into the tapestry of our daily lives and watch as it unfolds its magic in every moment. As we tread the spiritual path, we often encounter hurdles that test our willpower. It's natural to face resistance and self-doubt along the way. However, overcoming these obstacles is crucial for our growth. One method is to cultivate a mindset of resilience and determination. By reminding ourselves of our inner strength and unwavering commitment to our spiritual journey, we can navigate through challenges with grace. Additionally, patience and perseverance are invaluable allies on this path. Understanding that progress takes time and embracing the journey with patience allows us to stay the course, even when faced with setbacks. So, let's equip ourselves with the tools to overcome obstacles and emerge stronger on our spiritual quest. Now, let's explore how spiritual practices can nourish and strengthen our willpower. Prayer, a cornerstone of many spiritual traditions, serves as a powerful tool for connecting with higher energies and aligning our will with divine guidance. Through prayer, we tap into a source of infinite wisdom and draw strength to overcome obstacles on our path. Gratitude, another potent practice, cultivates a mindset of abundance and positivity. By acknowledging and appreciating the blessings in our lives, we shift our focus from scarcity to abundance, empowering our willpower in the process. Furthermore, self-reflection and introspection invite us to delve into the depths of our being, uncovering hidden patterns and beliefs that may hinder our progress. By shining the light of awareness on our inner landscape, we pave the way for profound transformation and growth. So, let's embrace these spiritual practices as pillars of strength on our journey toward harnessing the full potential of our willpower. Now let's delve into the art of manifesting desires through the power of will. As we align our intentions with our deepest desires, we invite the support of the divine into our manifestation journey. It's about surrendering the outcomes to higher guidance and trusting in the universe's wisdom. By releasing our attachment to specific outcomes and opening ourselves to divine will, we create space for miracles to unfold. Moreover, aligning our intentions with divine will ensures that our desires are in harmony with the greater good, serving not only our individual needs, but also the collective consciousness. So let's embark on this journey of co-creation with the universe, guided by the light of our willpower and the wisdom of divine guidance. We have explored the profound concept of willpower in spirituality and its significance in our journey of growth and manifestation. By understanding the nature of willpower and its relationship with consciousness, we recognize its role in shaping our reality and unlocking our inner potential. Through practical techniques and spiritual practices, we can cultivate and strengthen our willpower, paving the way for personal and spiritual development. Remember, harnessing willpower is not just about achieving individual desires, but aligning ourselves with divine will and serving the greater good. So, I encourage you to integrate these spiritual principles into your daily life, embracing the transformative potential of willpower. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on spirituality and personal growth.